Hello guys, welcome back to our daily outlook. We'll start with gold, but before then we should know that we have high impact news coming tomorrow. If you are trading USD and Canadian dollar, there are high impact news that might affect your trades, so you have to look at it carefully and apply proper risk management. So this is good. Let's start. Let's look at weekly time frame. So we analyze this on our weekly outlook. If you want to know more about it, you can click on the weekly outlook video to watch the full analysis. So we anticipated that the price will go up, and the reason we gave was this was able to close above this, and we can see since then the price has been going up. So on daily time frame, we can see yesterday went up, but today we can see that the price is a kind of slowing down. Okay, if we move to 4 hour time frame, we can see that it gives us a kind of a double top, and the price might be heading back to around 2829.72. Why? Because this is a candlestick that broke the structure on 4 hour time frame, and most time price will likely retrace back to that area before going up. So I picked let's say 70% of it, that the price might retrace back to this area. So that is what's predicting, and before going up. So if you are trading gold, this region, you have to look at it carefully because the price might come to this area before going up. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we can see also that a structure was taken out here, and we can see that the market went up and all that. So if you are to draw a trend line on 1 hour time frame, you will notice that there is a kind of trend already that the price is following on 1 hour time frame, and it's more of bearish. Now, why I say there's high probability of market coming back to this, you can see that this structure was broken, price closed below it, and also there were a pool of orders here that the market went back to peak. So if price is able to break this structure here, that is this support level, there's high probability that the price might come to this region, okay, before going up. So that is it for gold on 1 hour time frame. If we look at 15-minute time frame, this is a trend line I drew on 1 hour time frame, and you can see that the market took out the structure and came back here. There's a pool of orders here picked, and also it correspond with the trend line, and there's high probability that this might continue falling to this region. Okay, so let's look at another pair. Let's look at USDJPY. So all these were from our daily outlook this week and also weekly outlook. Let's start from weekly time frame to see if our analysis is going according to how we predicted it. So we can see that on weekly time frame, the price, I have to remove all this. You can see that the price is still bearish on weekly time frame. Now let's move to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we can see that several structures has been taken out, and what this is telling us that the price is still bearish. So we can see that when this structure was broken, okay, you can see the way the market went back for a retest, and we can see that USDJPY is still falling. Okay, now if you look towards the left side, there is a support level here that the price might react to. So if you are selling USDJPY around 151.530, there is a support level the market might react to. So you have to look at this carefully. And also here, this structure was broken here some times back, and market might also be coming here this region before going up. So that is why I said around this area you have to be careful, because this structure, this was this candlestick that broke the structure, and the price might be coming back to test that before going up. So on 4 hour time frame, we can see that the price has been going down. It's according to what we analyze. You can check out our daily outlook analysis, and I even uploaded some of the live trades I took, and they were all in profit. So it's from the weekly outlook and the daily outlook I analyze here, guys. So if you want to benefit from this, you have to hit the subscribe button so that as we upload, you'll be the first to know that we have uploaded. There's a new analysis, and that might benefit you. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. We can see that this market is still falling, meaning people are buying JPY, selling USD. Let's go back to 4 hour daily time frame. So like I told you guys, you have to be careful around this area. Looking towards the left side, there's a support level, and also here a structure was broken previously that the market might be coming here to pick orders before going up. Okay, let's look at another pair. Let's look at Euro USD. From our weekly outlook, we talked about this support level, and you can see the way the market reacted. Okay, on daily time frame, we can see that this line, we have this line on our weekly outlook, meaning if we have been buying around 1.04290, we should be out of this market, and exactly that's what happened. Okay, and if you see to these candlesticks as if the market is kind of bearish. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Now, why is the market bearish? That's the question you have to ask. There was a structure here. After this gap in, market came back to fill the gap, and there was a structure here, and this is the candlestick that's closed above the structure. So what we might have here is candlestick, price coming back to pick orders from this candlestick before going up. Okay, so we can see the last reversal candlestick pattern here, and meaning the price might be heading towards this area. Okay, so that is it. But let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening there. On 1 hour time frame, we can see different rejection candlestick pattern, but from 4 hour time frame, we have identified this already. But there's something I want you guys to look carefully. Towards the left side, a structure was taken out. Now the question is the market coming back to retest the structure before start going down? And that is what we have to look out for at this area. So there's much interest around here. So on lower time frame, you should be looking at the market breaking this structure. If the market price comes back and close below this structure, it means Euro USD might start selling. So let's look at the last pair, GBPUSD. If we look at it, we had the price since this week, the price has been going up, but from yesterday we should have an insight that there's a supply region here, and the price might start falling. And look at what yesterday candlestick gave us. So it's a hint that today the price might be going down, and exactly that's what is happening. On 4 hour time frame, so we can see this structure, how gave us a double top, and apart from giving us a double top, a structure was taken out here on 4 hour time frame. And also look at it, looking at it from the kind of candlestick we had yesterday, and also at this supply region, it's a kind of hint that the price might go down today, and exactly that's what has been happening. So it's very simple to analyze. And also look at this, several structures has been broken, and also on 15-minute time frame, this is the latest one, and the market might be coming here to pick orders before it start falling. So guys, risk management is very important. Apply proper risk management, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.